Welcome to Creative Math Magic. Problems based on age, the topic of this video. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create problems based on age. To frame a question based on age, we need two characters like father son, mother daughter, Raju Ravi, or any other two characters. After selecting the characters, the first thing we need to do is to assign reasonable values to their present ages. Here in this case, I would like to take father's age as 35 years and son's age as 10 years. Now imagine some years ago, and what would be the father's age and son's age at that time. I would like to take 5 years ago. Since their present ages are 35 and 10, 5 years ago their ages will be 30 and 5. Father's age is 6 times the son's age. This is the relationship between father's age and son's age 5 years ago. So, the first part of the problem will be 5 years ago, father's age was 6 times that of his son. To get the next part of the problem, imagine some years later. I would like to take 15 years later. Since their present ages are 35 and 10, 15 years later, their ages would be 50 and 25. Father's age is twice that of son's age after 15 years. This is the relationship between father's age and son's age after 15 years. So the second part of the problem will be 15 years later, father's age will be twice as old as son. Finding the present age of father and son would be the task of the problem. Thus successfully, a new problem has been created. By changing the present ages of father and son, or by changing the number of years ago and later, we can create as many problems as we want. These are the few other problems which I have created. Subscribe to get more interesting math related videos.